there's a reason and purpose why I'm doing this. You know, usually people want to do stuff and they just dream about it and never take the time and opportunity to do it. Well, I'm hoping I can inspire someone to actually go ahead and take that step and do stuff that really matters to them. I'm on my way to go to Europe. I'll be landing in Barcelona and then traveling, making my way up to France, Port Saint Pierre de Paul, something like that. And I will start my 500-mile hike. I'll be in Europe a total of 37 days. So hopefully follow my passage. And this vlog I'm gonna do that I wanna share with all of you. All right, man, I made it, brother, to the airport, right here.
We'll be in touch, my friend.
All right, man, thank you, brother.
I'll be hearing from you, okay?
Right on, man, so follow me, man, and
I will.
send me things, bro. We'll talk. All right, man. Thank you, brother.
All right, then.
All right, brother. Here in Lisboa, waiting for my flight to go to Spain, Barcelona, to go catch a train and party. All right, dudes, just want to touch base. Let's take these beer. Well, finally made it to my hotel. Let's see what we got into. I'm in Barcelona. Let's see. Got a small elevator. 505. Yeah. 505. Alright, so this is my room for the night. It's kind of cute, a little small. It works. Oh my god, little beds.
How would that change your play if you knew that? Maybe now, maybe say, hey, this could be the one that takes you away.
I was saying good morning, guys. I make it this morning to the train that I had to make, but I sure as hell make the next one, hopefully. Whatever, eventually make it to France and start the Camino tomorrow morning. But either way, I had to stop, get myself a little bocadito and a little café con leche if I get on my crazy route. Here, check it out. See what it is. See? Oh, I can't flip the camera. Hold on. There it is. Well, I'll touch base with you guys in a little bit. The train or however it takes me, the passage it takes me to get to where I'm going next. Talk to you later. What's up, guys? Walking down the streets of Spain. Where to? Still don't know. Trying to find the train station, I think. But I hear it's pretty far. So hopefully, I don't know. Hopefully anything. Hopefully I find it. Oh my God! Found the station. Woo! Finally. The actual train station. There it is. Barcelona. Guys, so I bought the ticket and yeah, I got a little late, so therefore I need to kind of buy to one little city and then to another city, and hopefully I still make it there by tomorrow. But it seems like it's another crazy train. See what happens. Stay tuned. There's still more. Believe this shit. It's on the train, dude. Going to, I think, Plaza de Sants, which is where I'm taking the main train onto the metro to go to, start heading, I guess, to France. I guess we'll see. Keep following me, you'll find out if I even make it. If not, help. Got off the train station. First one, the metro, let's see if we make it. See where I'm going. Now it's time to catch the other train. Whatever that means. The one that takes us to Barcelona. Hopefully you can hear me. Damn, metro. Casa de los Santos. Yeah. Walking the streets. People must think I'm crazy, talking to myself, but I don't give a crap. Whatever. The train, guys. I finally made on the train to Santiago. Let's see where I go. I got first class. Oh, look at this. This is awesome. Look at this train. I get free food. Awesome. Look at this. Alright, guys. Now I made it. Hopefully, y'all excited for me for the first train. Gotta catch another one then eventually. Relaxing, finally on the train. Feels so good. Just to be chilling. Hey everyone, look. That's Angie over there. Say hi, Angie. How you doing?
Hello, world.
That is Angie. Are you ready
I
for?
love you, Spain.
Are you ready for?
I don't want to leave.
Are you ready for your Camino?
Except for unless I'm going to Greece.
Are you ready for your Camino?
Ya empezó el camino. Estoy requete feliz. Estoy entusiasmada. Quiero conocer a toda la gente bella que está por el camino. Por el caminito.
Yeah. Oh, the people you come across in this trip. Looking at the trip from Barcelona to Zaragoza, something like that. Either way, I'm on the journey already. The journey has again started. Look at the shades this girl just let me put on. It's a little crazy. I feel like a bee.
I'm gonna pack it into 24 hours and I'm gonna take
I'm
this
gonna fly my way to the Camino.
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh man, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Alright dudes, hopefully by the time I come back, I'm dinner for sure. Yep, definitely gonna lose some pounds. I'm in this lonely place here. Nobody's even here. This is Zaragoza, or whatever you call it. But I'm making it. I almost missed my other train, getting off at the wrong station. Dude, this is a mission. But I'm on the right track. My next train is in about 45 minutes. Hopefully I get on the right train and make it to Barcelona. I think I'm just gonna stay the night at Barcelona, and then from there in the morning wake up, make it to France, and then just start hiking whatever the hell time I get there. All right, guys, stay tuned. The mission continues. All right, guys, I'm laying down on this platform here. I don't know if you can see it. See that? This platform right here. Lying down. Nope, not my train. Woo! This is one crazy trip, but I haven't started walking the damn Camino. Oh my God, this is gonna be intense. Oh, I can't wait to see what this damn Camino is all about. Nah, just kidding. I know what the Camino is about, guys. Woo. Oh my God. Lord have mercy. First class coach, but this is the way it should be. And it's a lot cheaper too, thank God. 18 euros compared to 100 euros. The interesting thing about this one is that I don't have a hotel room in Barcelona. And I'll be there by 11, 12 o'clock almost, so let's see what happens. And the adventure continues. Oh, it's like 11 o'clock at night, and Barcelona finally made it here, and it's raining. It's actually raining. I don't know what the hell it's doing though. So, let's see where it takes us. See where I'm going. Barcelona, here I am. Hey, we got some action.
Yeah,
Little rain. Got a little poncho on.
A little sound coming out.
Little rain, little poncho. Yeah. Pamplona. Better make sure I get that shit right.
Barcelona.
And that's my little translator telling me Pamplona.
Pamplona. Como Pamplona.
Pamplona, I've been
Bravo.
told. I've been told it's Pamplona. All right, we're coming up with some music there.
And it's my birthday!
Oh, it's your birthday?
And I'm going out
How old are you?
to party with my
Look, everybody,
grandpa.
that's the hunchback. I picked this up on the train. She was hanging on the back. Down the streets of Spain, like 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I know I gotta walk tomorrow, but still, it's all worth it. Yeah, let's do this. Come on, let's enjoy the night. If I'm here, might as well enjoy it. Awesome. Meet some cool people from the Basque Country.
In
Yep,
Pamplona!
that's the Spaniards walking in the streets. The party continues. Yes, I'll make my walk, everybody. But this will probably be the last video I post for you tonight. Peace out. Buen Camino, Caesar. Oh, that's me. Yeah, we're here hanging out at the party. No la conozco. This is what happens when you come to end last call. I'm out of here, bro. What's up?
What's up, everybody?
Look, there's a little peregrina right
Where
here
in the world?
next to me.
And I was walking down like where the bulls
Yeah, that's right, dude.
run, and I just
Walk
felt
down
it.
the Bulls area, dude. The
My
Bulls
grands
running.
always wanted to be here, and I'm so glad I get to be here to enjoy and meet all the people here.
Dude, look what I found in Pamplona. That's the arrow, dude, for El Camino. Look, and it's true, and it's like 3 in the morning, 4, who knows what. Look. Fucking awesome, dude. Found El Camino, dude. Effing sweet, bro. That way, guys, that way. Yep, made it through the night. Pamplona, see you soon. Hopefully, I actually got to come back through here again, so therefore, I'll see you again. But we made it through the night. I'm alive, feeling nice and good. My pack ready. Yeah. I know we got a little late start, but hey, I'm going to be walking anyway. You know, I gotta stay out in the middle of the night, so we're sleeping tonight. There's no stopping me. 2 friends. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. Ticket. All right, dude. Sitting in the bus to Saint Paul Pide, whatever. Once again, I don't know what that name. But just so y'all know, I did make it on the bus. I'm on the bus. I've just spoken to 2 awesome people on this trip. They are so cool. I'll give you a glimpse of them. This is Jess and Hasko. Jess, say hi. Hasko, that's Hasko there. What's up? Whatever you want to call it once again, and getting off. What's up, Jess? Say hi. Grabbing my bag, grabbing the thing. So here I am, guys. First step of the Camino. I'm excited to see what is gonna happen. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Time is it? It's 4:20 here right now. Awesome, awesome. I'm gonna go find the tourism office and get my little passport. Hanging out here in the line with some cool people. Where are y'all from?
Canada.
Canada, yeah, Canada as well. And Jess is from New Zealand.
Where are you from?
I'm from Miami. Sweet sunny Miami right now.
Yeah, you're missing home. Germany's here.
Definitely. So here waiting for my, what do you call that? I guess a little stamps.
Have you been waiting long?
And this is where everybody gets this infamous passport for the Camino. This is my shell. Hey, I'm here in the pilgrim getting my passport. All my new friends over there. Hi. You look good, man. Sexy. You're a sexy guy, man.
Yes, I am. I know.
You're a sexy man, dude.
I'm sexy and I know it.
He's sexy and he knows it. But I made it. Yes, I'm here. Passport time. Get me moving. Get me moving. Woo. Guys, first beer in, what's the name of this place? How do you call it? Port Jean? There you go. PB, same thing. I've been trying to say the whole time. Cheers. Buen Camino.
Ching ching.
Ching, 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 ching. Life goes on. ¿Comentario que estoy haciendo?
Ah, un documentario.
Sí.
34.
Sí. Gracias.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
El de 1134.
Here we go. Camino.
Me comenta.
First steps.
El de
That I'm gonna take these
1134.
down to the drive in Miami.
El de
Termination, baby.
1134.
Termination.
Llega a Astorga por el camino y de Santiago el de 1134.